This is jigsaw puzzle pieces. This is a motif that's very meaningful for a lot of people, and I know this is big for mask making for children and people of all ages, so we're happy to get this back in. All right, we got in a shipment of beautiful batik widebacks. Now, with these are 108 inches. Watch it, because sometimes the batik widebacks are 106 inches versus 108. This one says it's 108, which is cool. It's a great multicolor with a blue base, and it is called Bondi. Next, we have a great deep blue called Cosmos, and this one is also 108 inches. And again, these do vary sometimes, so when you're doing your calculations, you need to know that. This one is 108 as well, and it's called Galaxy. Another good blue one. We get a lot of requests for blue backings. This is awesome. I'm going to have to get another one of this. This is 108 inches too, and it is called Bone. And remember, these are wide backs, but you can use them on the tops of your quilts as well. Don't be afraid to chop them up. They're really cool. Here's a beautiful dark, smoky gray taupey with charcoal black, and this one is just called Black. All right, and one more gorgeous multicolor on a dark background, and this guy is called Jewel. And I believe that's it for today. Be sure to follow our, sign up to, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook, and do subscribe to our daily newsletter at Ladyfingers Sewing.